let's get into it, guys.
No match happening, but disappointing. But for the fans, how is it? And looking forward for the Super 8, you would have liked to have a match before. How do you see that?
Of course, disappointing. I think for fans, yes, but even for a team, we were really looking forward to play a game, and we were expecting better conditions, batting conditions, than what we got in New Zealand. So as a team, I think it was important for us to get a game, but again, something that we can't control, we don't control. So it's unfortunate that we couldn't get a game here.
Vikram, obviously the team missed having a good batting game time. But are you also relieved that given the conditions there may be some chances of injury? So are you also relieved that match did not happen?
Yeah, that of course that concern is always there when you play on the conditions which are not ideal. So decision to play or not to play were with the match officials. So as a team we didn't have any say in that. But if the game had happened, that would have really helped us. We were really looking to forward to play a game, to play a good game of cricket. There's always a concern when you play again in conditions like these that some injury can happen. So yeah, you are already in Super 8 and you don't want that. That's the last thing you want to happen before you enter the serious the part of the tournament.
कुछ रिजर्व खिलाड़ी रिलीज़ किए जा रहे हैं और उसके कारण क्या है?
ये पहले से ही प्लान था कि न्यूजीलैंड जब यहाँ यूएस में आएंगे तो 4 प्लेयर आएंगे साथ में, उसके बाद 2 को रिलीज़ कर दिया जाएगा और 2 विल ट्रैवल विद अस टू वेस्ट इंडीज़. सो वो प्लान पहले से ही बना था, बहुत जब टीम सेलेक्ट हुई थी तब से ये प्लान था ही. सो वी जस्ट फॉलोइंग दैट.
Vikram, you've been here in Fort Lauderdale for a while, and you must have seen since yesterday, apart from that 120-minute shower, there's hardly been any rain. So at a World Cup, you would expect a better ground to be ready for play, or what do you think of it as a support staff of a team?
No, as I said earlier, I think as a team we wanted to play. You're right. When you're a tournament like World Cup, you want to carry on playing cricket. So as a team, you don't want to lose the momentum that you've gained. But again, conditions. I don't know whether it rained here or not. The place we were staying at, it didn't really rain yesterday. So again, not for me to say how and what happened, but yeah, it's disappointing that we couldn't get a game.
Vikram, before 3 matches in 5 days in 3 different islands at the Super 8 stage, you have a enforced week between your last league match and the Super 8 match. Is that like a good thing in terms of becoming fresh for the challenges that lie ahead, or would you have liked to have continued the momentum of playing and winning? Again,
not ideal. I mean, it would have been great if we could have gotten a game today, but now this is what it is. So we'll look forward to have a couple of good practice days in Barbados and get into the game. So again, now the matches will happen simultaneously after one day. So as a team, I think we're ready. We are used to these kind of schedules. We've done it in past, and I'm sure we'll do it really well this time as well.
विक्रम भाई, ऑब्वियसली द फैक्ट दैट कुछ महीने पहले हम लोग जब 50 ओवर्स वर्ल्ड कप हुआ था, काफ़ी सारे वेन्यूज़ में फुल ग्राउंड कवर करने का अरेंजमेंट था, मगर यहाँ देखने को नहीं मिला. ऑब्वियसली दैट मेक शिफ्ट अरेंजमेंट एट न्यूयॉर्क, जहाँ पे विकेट्स को लेके काफ़ी कंट्रोवर्सी हुआ, आउटफील्ड को लेके यहाँ भी ग्राउंड पूरा कवर नहीं था. हालांकि होने से अगर मैच भी हो सकता था, तो डू यू थिंक दिस इज समवॉट अनकॉल्ड फॉर?
ये क्वेश्चन शायद आईसीसी वालों को पूछना चाहिए आपको. आई वोंट बी एबल टू आंसर दैट. आई डोंट नो द रीज़न व्हाई इट वाज नॉट कवर्ड एंड व्हाई डिडंट हैव कवर्स इनफ कवर्स टू कवर द होल ग्राउंड. अगर करते तो डेफिनेटली दैट वुड हैव हेल्प, पर अभी नहीं है और दिस इज़ व्हाट वी गॉट. सो आई कांट रियली आंसर दैट एक्चुअली.
विक्रम भाई, न्यूयॉर्क में जो 3 मैचेस हुए उसमें एक कड़ी परीक्षा बल्लेबाजों की देखने को मिली. एज अ बैटिंग कोच आपको वो कितना अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि एक बड़ा सेक्शन अब होने वाला है वर्ल्ड कप का, उसके पहले एक अच्छी परीक्षा हो गई. क्या सोचते हो आप उसके बारे में?
जी बिल्कुल अच्छा है. अगेन सब तरह की विकेट पे खेलना आना चाहिए. हमारे पास स्किल्स हैं हर तरह की कंडीशंस में खेलने का और अच्छा करने के. सो मुश्किल वाला विकेट्स निकल गया है. होपफुली अच्छी विकेट्स मिलेंगी अभी आगे टूर्नामेंट में. और अगर टर्निंग विकेट्स मिलेंगी या लो स्कोरिंग गेम्स रहेंगे तो भी हमारी टीम इक्विप्ड है टू डील विद दैट। आई थिंक हमारा बैलेंस बहुत अच्छा है टीम में इस टाइम पे। बैटर्स सब अच्छी बैटिंग कर रहे हैं, बॉलर्स आर बॉलिंग रियली वेल, 4 स्पिन ऑप्शंस हमारे पास हैं, वी हैव इनफ फास्ट बॉलर्स एज वेल। सो जैसी भी कंडीशंस आएंगी आई थिंक वी आर रियली इक्विप्ड टू डील विद दैट।
Yeah, Vikram, going forward from that, like this 4 all-rounder theory, is it a kind of is it cast in stone, or could there be some changes if the condition demands going forward?
Again, we need to be a flexible team. We need to look at the conditions that are in front of us and be ready to deal with those. So, as a team, we are going to be really flexible. I think we'll react the way what we get on the day. And we have enough sources in our team resources in our team to deal with any kind of conditions.
Vikram, you spent a long time in New York, not only sort of playing multiple matches, but also getting a chance to experience the city and connecting with the NRI community in New York at the stadium and around. Obviously, your time in Florida has been a little strange, but did you get, and there are many thousands of fans who came to watch you here who didn't get to watch. Did you get any chance to connect with the community here, and what was that experience like?
Not really, actually. Hardly any opportunity to connect with anybody because it has been raining, actually, and this was the only place we could have expressed ourselves as a team, but that unfortunately hasn't happened. So unfortunately, I think it must be really disappointing for the people in this city and this place who were looking forward to see some good cricket. So, but as a team, we really didn't get any opportunity to connect with anybody else.
Vikram, are you concerned about Kohli's scores here, or is it something to do with the wickets that we were playing on?
I love it when every time I come, there's a question about Virat Kohli, whether he's doing well or not. So, no concern at all. No concern at all. He's been batting superbly from the tournament that he came from. Couple of dismissals here doesn't change anything. He's batting really well. Actually, it's good that he's a little hungrier. Actually, he's really keen to do well and really, switched on. So it's a good space to be as a batsman, I think. So looking forward, to some good games and having watched some good innings from him actually in this World Cup.
Thank you.
Thank you.